Hi guys and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of this Cuisinart hand blender. This one includes additional attachment like the potato masher and the whisk, and they also included the soft canvas cloth for storage. And let's start by opening this box. Here inside you can see the instruction manual. Since we are here in Canada, they also include the French instruction. There's also a cloth bag inside, and the attachment for the potato masher, and another attachment for egg whisk and the whisk, the blender attachment, and the blender itself, and the measurement cup. And as you can see, there's a measurement here, the potato masher attachment, and also the blade cover for the blender attachment. And again, we have the hand blender and the soft cloth, the egg whisk, and this is how to attach it. Just insert it together. And to attach the potato masher, just align the arrow with the unlock icon and then twist clockwise. To remove the attachment, you can press this here, then set this aside. If you want the potato masher, you take that, and if you only need to clean this attachment, you can just take it off, right? And then remove this. And with the whisk, same thing. The thing is, you can remove this if you want to wash. This one has like a control here. Anyway, let's turn this on so that you can see. They provided a nice cable tie, and yeah, let's try. Press this unlock first, and then you can press this on, right? So if you will not press this unlock button here, it will not work. Yeah, for the safety purpose. If your hand is like this, press and hold it like that. You can remove this lock. You can slow it down. Seems like it has a 3 level. Since it has a safety feature here, I think you're safe enough to remove any attachment. Let's try this potato masher. So let's put this on the lower setting first. So you can see the movement of the blade. It's just a plastic blade. So what will happen here is when you mash your potato, it will come out from this. I will show you the hole. Here, there's a hole here, and this blade, once you mash your potato, the potato will come out here. That's a boiled potato, of course. I think you can do it for cauliflower also, when it's boiled. Okay, and then let's let it slow, just in case. It's like you're riding a motorcycle sound. Anyway, Now let's try this the blender attachment. This is nice for smoothies, or if you're making a soup like squash soup, tomato soup. This is stainless steel, and let's start with this low speed. As you can see, still all right. Don't put your finger there. See? This one has a guard. So this is from the box. I didn't wash it yet, so let's try. Let's try with the water first. Okay. Wow. It's like creating a suction once you press this. Let's try with the frozen fruits. But first I have to wash this with soap, dish soap. Okay, so now we'll be testing our Cuisinart hand blender. Of course, we will do a smoothie. And this is a frozen strawberry. And then we will use this attachment to align the hole. Okay, and then you can see here, I will start with the lobe. And of course, you have to put milk or any liquid when you're blending any frozen foods. Okay. So, yeah. Fresh milk. And then, now let's try. Sorry about the cable, but let's make it to go to the high speed. Okay. Yep, it's smoothie, very smooth. And you can see. Let's try to add. What about add some ice? And then I don't think if it will work. You have to make sure that the ice will be in contact with the blade. But since this has a guard, the blade, maybe if it's a smaller size, yep, nothing happened with the ice, still the same. Anyway, that's good enough for the demo. I'm always messy in the kitchen. Right? If it's maybe half or 1/4 size, it will fit in the blade. Inside the blade guard, it will be crushed. Let's try to beat some egg. Here is the egg beater or the whisk. For example, you want to make a mayonnaise or I don't know, marshmallow or something that you need a whisk. Okay, I always start with the low to be safe. Oops. Okay, that's a messy one. Okay, let's take it off. Make that a scrambled. That's my breakfast. I don't have a potato here, so we will use this that I found this in the freezer. It's a cauliflower. It's like a ready to eat frozen one. To eat this, you have to boil, or I just soak in hot water and drain the water. But for example, you have a fresh cauliflower, the whole. You can cut into small pieces and then boil it, and then after you boil it, you can use this attachment, this potato masher attachment, low speed. So I don't have enough of this cauliflower. Yeah, but if this is a potato, those potato will come out here, the hole, and it will be mashed. It makes your work faster, especially if you are doing a big batch of mashed potato. This will be my breakfast later also. So I have a breakfast: egg, a little bit of cauliflower, and strawberry smoothies. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to press that notification button or bell to keep you updated on our next upload, especially in our premieres. Thank you, and have a nice day, and stay safe, guys.